Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS position, and right now we'll be discussing about position static in HTML CSS. HTML elements are position static by default. The static position elements are not affected by the top, bottom, left or right properties. An element with position static is not positioned in any special way. It is always positioned according to the normal flow of the page. So I'm going to show you how all this works together. Now let's get started. This is our document right now. You can check every tutorial concerning this position, CSS position, in our CSS position playlist to be able to follow along easily. Now let's get started. This is our code right now. I'm just going to create a div element. After creating this div element, I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm not writing anything inside it. I just want to design the div myself. So now let's design the div element. I'm just going to give it a border first. So giving it a border is going to allow me to do many things. So I'm giving it border, so I'm giving it 2 pixel solid red border. So after giving it border, I'm just going to give it height. I'm going to give it height of 200 pixel, and I'm going to give it width also, which so I'm trying to 200 pixel. So that's all for now. So now let's reload our document. Can you see now we are having this kind of div element? So now to control this better, now let's give it a position element. Now let's talk about the position. Let's give it a position of static. When we give it position static and reload our document, can you see no any problem, no any effects here right now? Now let's use the left, top, right, left property. Let's give it like 100 pixel, or let's give it right. Let's say we want it to shift to the right or whatever. We want to position it to the right, 100 pixel. Let's reload our document now. Can you see the effect is not working at all? It's not doing at all. Can you see when I reload, it's not doing anything at all? So that's one of it. Right here we are hearing that static position elements are not affected by the top, bottom, left and right properties. So you can't use this top, bottom, left and right property in static position because they are not going to work with it. So I don't want us to stress ourselves by specifying the left, right, on top or whatsoever. So let's just keep this now because this element's not working right here. Now let's save our document. The funnest part now is that when we use another position, it's going to work. So let's meet in another playlist. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much.